What's up, guys? Welcome to the next vlog. Right now it is raining. It's kind of crappy, but still out here. It was a nice day at school, but it's not a nice day now, at least. So I don't know really what I'll be doing for this vlog because I can't stay outside very long because it's raining. So yeah, we'll get back to you when I find something to do. Just got inside. Go upstairs. Going upstairs. It's actually on my computer. Right when I got home. So I'm looking for a cool song for my intros. Can't do anything copyright though, so just kind of looking around. Let's get back to you when I see something cool. Favorite movies? I'm watching all the trailers right now because I'm kind of bored. So yeah, it is pouring out. I want to show you guys. Here, I'm gonna come here and show you. In here. I don't know if you do it. Tell? Yeah, you can tell. Oh, my hand's in the way. All the pouring down. Yeah, it is pouring, guys. I don't know what to do. It's gonna be an inside vlog. So, I'm gonna play some games, stuff. I make a little gaming video. Maybe. I don't really have the stuff for that, so maybe not. It's only 4:09 too. And it wasn't supposed to rain until 5 o'clock. So that's kind of a bummer, but get back with you guys in a bit. See ya. Okay, right now, me and my dad, we're gonna try to knock down this bird nest that's like right under that speaker. So we're gonna go knock this down.
You're not taking the pool water off.
Yeah, and we're taking the pool water off. This is actually
Mom, get in here in a second.
Hey, Mom. Ooh, this is why I was not outside today, because it was pouring for 15 minutes and then it stopped. And now there's thunder everywhere, and this is starting to stop, but it's still like thunder everywhere. Get back to you when we go to knock it down. Just finished doing this. Now we're gonna knock it down. We're gonna try to do something. Wait, Dad, don't knock it down yet. Don't knock it down yet. Okay, never mind. There goes a bird. Kind of feel bad, but I don't know. What? Wait, what, Dad? Oh, she hasn't? Okay. Here you go, Dad. Oh. I don't know if that's for sweeping. I guess this is kind of interesting today. will she lay? Will she make a nest on this one right here?
No, I hope not.
Why is she stalking us?
Okay, can you do me a favor?
These are the legitimate questions.
Carry this back.
Carry this.
Yeah, it's kind of heavy. You're gonna have to put that down and carry it with 2 hands.
Okay, be right back. Just put the ladder back. Now I'm gonna walk back to the backyard. Back in. We're back. So it was knocked down, and everything looks pretty good. So I'll get back to you guys when something interesting happens. What's up, GoPro? This is my new vlogging cam. Start vlogging on this thing.
Just 1 point in Missouri, and he's close, very close in Ohio and Illinois.
This is what I'm gonna start vlogging on. So, still gonna put my other footage from today in because that was pretty interesting. But I'm gonna start vlogging on this camera. So, I'm gonna vlog the rest of the night on this camera. Oh yeah, I was watching Gaming with Molt. Shout out to him. He's a beast at Clash Royale. Shout him out. I don't have a lot of subscribers yet, so shout him out. And right now, this is how I create my vlogs. So shout out to, shout out also to iMovie, keeping me in there. Shout out to Apple, also keeping me in there. There's my dog, Tressel's boss. So yeah, see you guys in a bit. When importing is madness and you wait forever, that's the problem here these days. Wait forever. It's currently 5:48 right now, and I am, well, I already ate dinner. I'm gonna run, and me and my dad are gonna go ice cream. So that's gonna be pretty cool. And then, yeah, that's kind of it. But I'll vlog. So, yeah. See you guys there. No, I'm walking upstairs. Because I gotta go get my stuff. Nothing, just vlogging. Oh yeah, nice kick. Cool kicks. Hey Mom, me and Dad are going to run. One in the basement. Oh, the light's already going. Yeah, we have a ball. Pretty neat. Shout out Nordic Track. Good, what do you say? Good treadmills. Shout out to them. So I'm gonna vlog after when we go to get ice cream, but I'm not gonna vlog on mine because it's gonna be kind of weird. Maybe a little bit, but not a lot. So we'll see you guys when I'm done jogging. Just walked a mile, or no, I ran a mile at like a 7-minute, 30-second pace. I gotta walk a little bit, get my heart rate down. So, and then we're gonna go get some ice cream. And then, yeah, that's it for today. So, see you when we go get ice cream. Just finished my workout, so I'm gonna go up, rinse in the shower, and then I'll be back with you guys. Just got Darn, I need to cut my nails because my nails are long. See you, Mom. Going to get some ice cream now. It's my dad honking. Shout out to Nike. Giving me the boss shoes. Coming! Let's scoot.
I got hit but all messed up over there.
You did? Where'd he hit it?
I don't know.
Okay, see you guys when we get to the ice cream score.
Okay, get up here.
11. Shout out to Graders. Best ice cream in the place. Powell. Pulling in.
Looks like Mom's old car right there.
I know. Going in.
Oh, here, wait. I gotta do this. Wait.
What? Oh, no, gotta close the sun. Gotta be smart.
Wait. There's the door. Don't have to get up.
Fine. We're getting in. Vlog when I get the ice cream. Get ice cream right now.
Some vanilla and chocolate syrup. The syrup you got right there, not the hot fudge.
Can I get a double scoop of vanilla ice cream and chocolate syrup?
Same as mine?
Yeah, the same.
Same. Perfect.
So like chocolate on the bottom and the top.
It's my kid. That's why we did the same thing.
Get back when we get the ice cream. Just got the ice cream. Also got Bean Boozled for a good challenge video maybe tomorrow or something. Got the ice cream. It's gonna be good. Just ate the ice cream. We are going back home right now. So we'll see you guys when we get back home. Just got home. Home sweet home. Scoot. I'm gonna go inside. See you when we get inside. Get up my room. Password. Ending the vlog. We'll wrap it up for tonight. So we'll see you guys in the next video.